Unlock the simplicity of waste management with LJ Containers, your premier source for top-notch dumpster rental services in the heart of Odessa, Texas. We pride ourselves on offering streamlined solutions to meet all your disposal needs. Whether you're embarking on a home cleanout, tackling a construction project, or orchestrating a major event, LJ Containers has the perfect dumpster waiting to be at your service. Experience the difference of efficient waste disposal with LJ Containers, where excellence meets convenience. For swift and reliable dumpster rental services, connect with us at 432-466-8181. Our team is dedicated to providing personalized assistance, helping you choose the ideal dumpster size for your project and ensuring timely deliveries and pickups. Dive into the details and discover more about our offerings at www.lecontainers.com. LJ Containers is your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Odessa, Texas, offering a hassle-free experience that lets you focus on your project while we take care of the waste. At LJ Containers, we redefine waste management by offering a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in our reliable services and transparent processes. From residential to commercial needs, LJ Containers is your reliable ally in ensuring that waste disposal is the least of your concerns. Choose LJ Containers for unparalleled dumpster rental services in Odessa, Texas, and witness the ease of managing waste without compromising on quality.